Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard keyboard soft. We'll explore several easy methods to improve your typing comfort and reduce finger fatigue. First, consider the keycaps themselves. They play a huge role in the feel. Then, we'll look at internal modifications and external dampening techniques. These simple steps can significantly enhance your keyboard's tactile experience, making every keystroke smoother and more pleasant. One effective way to soften your keyboard is by changing the keycaps. Softer materials, like PBT plastic, can offer a more pleasant touch than standard ABS. Adding small O-rings beneath each keycap provides a cushioned bottom out, reducing the harsh impact. Look for keycaps with a slightly textured surface for better grip and a less slick feel, enhancing overall comfort. Lubricating your keyboard switches can dramatically improve their feel. Carefully apply a thin, even layer of a specialized switch lubricant, like Cridox 200 5G0, to the switch stems and housings. This process reduces friction, making each keypress smoother and less scratchy. While it requires disassembling the switches, the resulting softer and more consistent key travel is well worth the effort. Internal dampening is another excellent method for a softer keyboard. Placing foam or silicone sheets inside the keyboard case can absorb vibrations and reduce the harshness of keystrokes. Additionally, using a thick, soft desk mat under your keyboard helps dampen sound and vibrations, contributing to a more muted and softer typing experience. These additions create a more substantial and less hollow feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.